This is the computer downloading brushes in Photoshop demo. First thing you need to do is go to the classroom and find the assignment underneath Digital Painting Unit 3 that has the brushes to download. It's going to be the Digital Painting 101 Part 1 and 2. Go ahead and click on the brushes ABR file and then download them to your machine. Once you have them downloaded, then you're going to move to Photoshop. Once we open Photoshop, then we're going to be changing a portion of this so that you can have the right size. So go ahead and create a new document, make sure it's a letter size, and then choose the landscape orientation or the longer, than it is high, and then hit create. Once inside your document, we have to change our workspace. So we're going to go up to the icon at the top of the upper right hand corner and go from Essentials to the Painting workspace. This will kind of put the brushes palette front and center for us. Once you find the brushes palette, then what's going to appear as well is swatches, and then the brushes palette is below. Go to the three lines in the top right hand corner of that window and then open import brushes. Then what you need to do is you need to find the brushes wherever they downloaded. If they're in your downloads folder, if on the Mac or PC, or if they're just on the desktop, that doesn't matter. And then click open. Once you open them, then they should appear inside of the brushes menu. There are three major brushes that we use in this painting unit. Number one is the soft round. This is what it looks like. Again, use your bracket, which is on the keyboard, to make the brush bigger. So it's the soft round, the hard round, and then the hard flat. Those are the three major brushes that Matt Core uses in his videos, and those are the ones that you need. There are two others that are located at the bottom that replicate a Wacom tablet, if that's what you want. Most students don't use them.